Today I'm going to make ultimate pork and beans again, which I love a lot. This is a pork roast. I thought about pulled pork or barbecue or smoking it, but the easiest and the best thing I like is I'm going to cut this into cubes, brown it up quick, and throw a bunch of Bush's baked beans in there. And in 20 minutes that meat will be nice and tender. Ultimate pork and beans. I love it. And I made it a lot of different times, but I'm making it again. I thought maybe you want to see it. Okay? I'm going to warm this pressure cooker up, put a little bit of olive oil in there, and brown the meat quick. Cut that onion, and we're ready to go. 20 minutes on high pressure. This is the 6-quart Instant Pot. It's warming up on saute mode right now. Cut this open and cube it up. Cube it up. Ooh, ooh, cube it up. Cut it like that. I'm going to cut them into thirds. The other white meat. This is 3 1/3 pounds. And that's just about how many beans we have. 3 1/3 pounds. Figured that out already. See these cubes? They're cubing. They're going to be nice pieces of pork too in there. Going to be nice big tender hunks of pork. Pressurized. Bush's baked bean sauce, baby. Baked beans. Not yet. Gonna brown these up a little bit. Stir them around. 3 1/3 pounds. Don't let them get away. Wash my hands. Smells good already. Got olive oil in there, remember? Oh, flip my lid. Well, flip my lid. Let me open these cans. See, they turn white when they get brown. See that? Let's cut this onion. I'll show you my onion cutting skills. How's that? Alright, still browning the meat. A couple minutes. How do you think that looks? That's about 5 or 6 minutes on saute mode. Let's throw the onions in there, stir them around a little bit. Magical onion. Let them soften up. You like it so far? It's enough onion, right? It's going to bust up somewhat. Even you can be a gourmet chef. Surprise your family and friends. Throw a hunk of meat and a can of beans in there, and they're gonna love you for it. Really? Bean time. Beautiful Bush's baked beans with the sauce and everything of the brown sugar. Let's do a bit quiet. Uh-oh, trying to get out. You know, when you open a can of baked beans or beans with bacon or whatever they're called, you're lucky you get a little piece of fat or a little hunk of bacon if you're lucky. Well, today you're going to get something like this. Look at 2 more pounds of beans coming up. You could even do this with hot dogs in there, I just thought. Right? Big ballpark Franks. I would do them for like 5 minutes. This pork I'm going to go for 20 minutes. On high pressure. I know you want some of this. You don't have to add much seasoning. Salt, definitely not, but I may add some pepper. Or you could add something you want, hot sauce or barbecue sauce. Look See it? That's all we need. The bean sauce is the liquid.
Okay. I don't know if
Right.
you want to add more liquid.
Maybe I'll add
A can. Yeah.
I'm gonna add 1 can of bean. I'm gonna add 1 bean can of water for a little more pressure. A little more juice in there, half a can maybe. Let's see. Yeah, that's gonna be enough. Add juice. So that's about 6 ounces of water. That's gonna be enough for our pressure with the bean juice from the cans. Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? You put the lid on. Magical tinkling musical lid. Ooh, samples. All right, let's stop that saute mode. I'm gonna go to, look at that, meat stew. Meat stew. This is 10 minutes on high. Let's see. I want to go. Oopie. I want to go 20 minutes. That's it. Press start. High pressure. There's the temperature inside, preheating. See, it's already preheated pretty much because of the saute mode, so the gauge is going up. It's going to come up to pressure quick. Make sure your lid's in pressure mode, which it is. Okay, that's it. Now I'm going to sit here for 20 minutes. I'm going to enjoy myself a nice new Blackberry Dr. Pepper. Bonus. I should have poured some of this in there. I still might. What do you think? I made Dr. Pepper pulled pork already. Oh, I smell it already. Mmm. It's like cough medicine and Coke. Oh. Robitussin. It's pretty good if you like it. Don't look at my hair either. Can't do nothing with this hair. I'm gonna get a mohawk or something. Okay? Try to let it grow. Look what happens. Looks like a Brillo pad. I didn't want to be in this video, did I? Where's my wig? Do I get a wig handy? Oh, it's over there, huh? Uh-huh.
Okay. Now show them the way. Back up and get the light. That's focused on the counter.
This better? This better than what I got going on? Sonny boy? Want to taste it?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think?
Not too good. Blackberry.
All right. Under pressure. Okay.
Look at that chart on the bottom. It's growing.
Yeah. All right. Outtakes. We'll leave them in. We'll leave in the outtakes. I'm still drinking it. Ugh, I don't drink soda, right? We were at the dollar store and saw that. Figured I had to try it. Okay. Goodbye. What? Huh? What? You want to show them your hairdo?
No.
All right then. It came up to pressure and the timer went off when I was outside, so I came in and I released the pressure. That smells so good. I turned it off. And I just thought I have some hamburger rolls. Could put a couple chunks of that on there, right? And cover it with beans. Boy. All right, we'll show you this when we open it. Wake up. Remember, that was 20 minutes. Want to see it? Oh, bean soup. Look at that. Let's dig down underneath and see. Oh, look. Look. You know, them beans are kind of tender and not tough like the meat, so they really got permeated. Well, it all did. Got permeated. I gotta taste it. Let's see how tender it is. You know how hot it is right now? I know it's tender. Let's take a piece. Watch. Oof, 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 oof. See? Ooh! Pull apart tender. I gotta try it on a roll maybe. Pork and bean sandwich. Look at it. Talk about sloppy Joe. This is sloppy beans. Sloppy pork and beans. Or just eat it on a plate. You don't have to do this on a sandwich. But I think I like it like that. That's just an idea, a serving size. Can I take a bite of this if it cools?
Let it cool off a little bit, please.
All right. Yeah, just check my pressure cooker playlist. I have 271 pressure cooker videos. 272 now. There's something there you gotta like. I'm gonna put this lid on right now and put it in keep warm mode because we have company coming soon and they're not coming to eat, but wouldn't it be nice just to have this in case they wanted something? How could you say no when you walk in and smell that?
I think they'll like to have a
Yeah.
sandwich.
All right, let me take a bite of this baby over here. Join me. Look at this. Gotta be cool enough. This is one of them bend over kind of sandwiches. If you're standing up, you don't want to be a hog. The meat just dissolves on my teeth. Believe me. It's so tender, and the beans are so delicious. Or you can make it in a slow cooker all day if you want. Check Kathy's channel. She can make some good dip to go with this later, right? What's that, green goddess or
Gonna make
something?
green goddess dip.
That'll be done by the time Janelle gets here, huh?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. It's so good. You can do it. It's easy. Bye.